So my parents, they've been on the channel a couple of times, but they're currently in the market for a sports car. There's loads of different options that they're looking for, and they've got some check boxes that we'll go through. But this is what I'm going to throw into the mix, the Alpine A110S, because I think this is genuinely going to throw everything out of what they've been considering already. This is the Alpine A110S, a rear-wheel drive mid-engine sports car that just gives you the thrill and drivability that personally I think a sports car has to have. Now I wanted to offer mum and dad something that they haven't necessarily thought of, and I think the Alpine is just that. Mum, what are the top 3 checklist items that a sports car needs to have for you?
Fun, looks good, sounds good, but also easy to get in and out of, because being a certain age. And then probably being able to use it every day if you wanted to.
Accessibility, so I can get in and out of it all right, being an oldie. Comfort, because comfort's important. And also, with it being a sports car, the thrill of the drive.
Today we'll be splitting the car into 3 different categories: the exterior, the interior and the drive. Now we're going to start off with the exterior and let mum and dad have a look around and see what they think. Will it pass the test? Alpine A110S, this is what I'm throwing into the mix. Section 1, exterior.
Beautiful.
First time impression is favourable.
Yeah, beautiful. Very pretty.
What's your favourite features? Front, back, side?
Just like the rear of it, the curved screen and... Yeah.
It's just a sexy looking car. It's not a masculine looking sports car. It's just a nice, sexy looking car.
That's a new word for you, because normally you call cars cute.
For me, it's sexy. Just think about it, that it's a sexy car. I can't say why.
So from first impressions outside, does it pass the looks box?
Definitely.
Yes.
Well, that's 1 category down, 2 more to go. Now the interior is actually one of my favourite places in the A110S, so is mum and dad going to agree?
Oh, wow.
That looked pretty easy to get in and out of.
It was very easy to get in and out. Not like your Lotus.
You don't need to be a...
No.
Contortionist.
No.
I could wear a dress or a
Seats-
skirt in this.
Seats are very snug.
Yeah.
Very snug.
How are you with the tightness? Because that is normally...
It's very tight on my hips.
But do you think you can manage as a sports car? Do you think, because you won't be in it for ages like your BMW, do you think this is something that, for those fun drives,
Yes.
caffeine and machine trip,
Yes.
you could put up with it?
Yeah, absolutely.
Definitely. I love all this. Look.
Yeah.
The styling, all this is just, I just love it. It's just gorgeous.
Favourite feature in the interior?
It's not like overcomplicated either.
No.
It's quite simplistic. Everything's at touch and reach. So it doesn't look that complicated.
Favourite feature?
Inside?
Inside.
I just like the finish.
Yeah, finish is nice.
The finish is
Finish
really
is
nice.
nice.
It's not tacky. It doesn't feel cheap. It feels luxurious. The finish, all this, doesn't it? And the little carbon.
It makes your mother happy.
Happy wife, happy life?
That's it. You've got it in one.
So does interior pass the second checkbox?
Yes.
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 2 for 2.
Yes.
But all that's left is the important one.
The
Driving it.
drive.
Yeah.
Who's going first? Technically you've already done it.
Me.
No spoilers.
Yeah.
Me.
How easy is it to get out?
Oh, Mr. T.
Let's have a go. Quite dignified, I thought.
Yeah, that's so easy.
Like your Lotus on my hands and knees, that was quite easy.
Quick bonus test, the boot.
Right. Well, how to get it open?
So it's on the key, or it's underneath the A110 bit. So if it's like a normal car.
Oh, wow. Okay for a weekend away.
Yes.
Yeah.
Weekend shopping.
Yeah.
Maybe not the full weekly shop.
No, not the full weekly shop, but if you were going away for a weekend, you could throw a few stuff in there.
You
wouldn't
put
you?
a small bag in there.
Yeah, a small bag would be fine.
Yeah.
But yeah,
So that's okay? That's not going to break...
No, that's not a deal breaker.
All that's left to do is the drive.
So foot on the...
Foot and brake on. There's your gears.
Oh, wow.
So D for drive. Yep. Handbrake off. There you go. Watch the curbs. There you go.
I'll just tell you down.
Nice and comfy.
Yeah. Wow.
Initial impressions?
Love it.
That didn't take much. It took about 300 metres.
Yeah.
Alright, so let me find the specifications.
Listen to that sound.
So you have a 1.8 litre engine, turbocharged, mid-engine rear-wheel drive, 7-speed DCT, 300 horsepower, and 340 newton meters of torque, and it weighs just over 1.1 tons.
Wow, that's not heavy at all, is it?
So it's very light.
Stunning.
Nice power.
All these figures, it's this, yeah, for me.
And we've got traffic at the roundabout.
As always.
You just get to experience it in all its glory.
Well, to be fair, if we get one and we're living there, you're going
to have to deal with this roundabout.
You're going to have to deal with this. And this sort of traffic till you get out on the open roads, which
Exactly.
is not really that far from here.
Nice thing about the Peak District way. Plenty of open roads.
Yeah. Speed quick, doesn't it? You have to watch your speed. Like, which way is it taking
Right.
us? Right.
Right, apparently. As long as it's open road. Oh, look at the doggies. Oh, look at them. Alright, pop it into sport. The big red button.
Oh, there is.
That's sport mode.
Is it?
It does say sport on it.
Oh, yes. I haven't got my glasses on, that's my excuse.
The big red button that says sport.
I haven't got the
It's a good
glasses on.
start.
Oh, dear. Please don't put that on.
That will definitely be going on. 100%. Just back it off from him a little bit. There you go. Go on. Upshift. So you've got right pedal. You've got
Oh,
your
so
pedals.
I'm doing the paddles.
Yes. So you
Oh my
will
gosh,
it'll
I've never
go
done
into.
this before. I've not done
I know you've done it before.
No, I've never done flappy paddles
Okay.
before.
These big things here.
Yeah,
Down a gear.
there.
Up a gear.
So if I want to go down,
Press the left one.
so can I do that now?
Yep.
Right,
And then
okay.
again. Yep. So it will automatically go into drive if like you forget, but it's quite nice to get like into a lower gear if you want to send it a little bit.
Right.
If that makes sense.
Oh,
Sorry, I thought you'd done it before. I swear we would have done that
no,
before.
I've never done flappy
Oh,
paddles.
there's a bloody tractor.
Oh,
Not having much luck with this. Just drop right back. It's only Dad behind us. Give it a little boost of power. See? Lots of bags.
that's good fun.
Oh.
He's going to be going behind. What's she doing? What's she doing?
Why is she slowing down and going again? Why is she slowing down and going again?
Can you go that way?
Yes. Don't know what it's like, but it says we can.
Let's go that way. I think this is more open road. And we haven't got the tractor in front.
Yeah, make sure so people are not looking at overtaking.
Just going to have that.
Go on then. Flat. There you go.
Oh my god!
You gotta go flat.
Becca, you're going to have to get one and take me out on track on it. Oh my God. That is super. Oh, that's making me smile.
Now it's 30, so slow down a little bit.
Yeah.
It's got a good
Oh my God.
Oh.
It just goes.
DCT gearbox. Can't go wrong with
It
it.
sounds amazing. Oh wow. That is all this video is going to be. Is, oh my
Speed bump. And the occasional speed bump.
I didn't see a sign for that, did you?
No, there is now.
There
It's
is
a bit
now,
late,
but
isn't
a
it?
bit late after we've gone over one.
To be fair, this is alright over speed bumps. I have noticed that. You have got more clearance than like some other sports cars.
Yeah. So it's more
practical.
drivable then. It's more practical.
Yes.
More drivable. More
So like
practical.
you're not worried if you go out for a drive and sat nav takes you down like a
Somewhere
road
like
this. You can get in between the two cars. Go, go, go. Got to commit. There you go.
Not the cyclists. Sorry, cyclists.
Oh, that's funny.
I don't think this video is going to be, oh my God, that's amazing.
And then,
wow.
oh, speed bump! Just dropped in the middle. So I think we've won Mum over, but how about Dad? Got to tell the viewers what you think
When?
now.
Are you filming
We're
now?
recording now.
Oh, right. Oh. It's not too hard a ride, is it, really? I mean,
Obviously, these are actually quite bad roads, to be fair.
yeah, they are. I was thinking that is pretty good.
Like, considering how low you are as well.
Yeah.
Like, Mum quite liked how,
It's comfortable to drive.
yeah,
Yeah.
how
You-
in like these scenarios it was.
You're
like,
not thinking.
doable.
You're not thinking. Oh, I better be careful here. You know, it feels quite normal sort of
Yeah,
drive.
yeah, follow the road round.
Nice smooth gear change.
So you've got two choices. You can go A44 and then a back road in, or I don't know what the other way is.
Doesn't matter.
I will go A44 because then you can open her up a little bit. So this next junction, you want to follow it to the left. Like follow this to the left. I'm learning to be better at navigating.
It's a growl, isn't it?
It's a really good car. You want this right. Could you see yourself in one of these?
Yes, I could.
Ah.
Yeah,
But for what purpose?
but
though?
it wouldn't be my everyday car.
Oh God, no.
No.
But this is what you're looking for, though. You're not looking for an everyday car,
No,
are you? You've got the
no.
X3 for that. But it's still nice, like, if the X3 is ever in for some work or something, you could still use this if you need to.
You could use it as an everyday car. I mean, it feels when you drive it, it could be your everyday car. You know.
Just not quite got the practicality for, like, the boys.
No. No.
I think Bob and Jim will fit in it.
No.
But for what you're looking for in terms of wanting a sports car,
It's
You can have-
it is very easy to get in and out of, which is important.
doesn't matter how it drives.
No.
How's the seats?
Well, the longer I've driven it, the more I feel you could probably do a long journey quite easily in it.
Really?
Yeah.
So actually, like, in terms of driving and everything, they're not as bad as you first.
Turn around.
When you turn sport off.
We don't need sport.
We do need sport.
Not here. There's places for it, but not here.
You don't want to upset the neighbours.
No.
With all 3 tests complete, the exterior, the interior and the drive for both mum and dad, what is the final result going to be on the A110S? Is it going to be a yes or is it going to be a no?
So we've had all 3 tests, exterior, interior, drive. You've got 2 pieces of paper there. One says yes, one says no. Do you know which one's which? Okay, so at count of 3, 3, 2, 1, put up which piece of paper you want as to whether the A110S is a good contender. 3, 2, 1. There you go. 2 yeses.
Oh, when are we getting one?
Tomorrow.
You heard it.
So you both enjoyed it then. Give us, each of you, a little overview of what you thought of it all.
Oh, it's just a really sexy sports car that is easy to drive, looks nice, and yeah, just love it.
Thrilling to drive, comfortable, easy to get in and out of, which is important.
Definitely.
And yeah, I feel like you could travel quite a distance in it and be quite comfortable.
Yeah, Dad actually found the seats all right the further he went.
Did he?
He did.
That's really good then.
Yep.
You can have cake this afternoon.
Oh, good.
So there we have it. I think we have our answer on the Alpine A110S. I secretly knew it was going to be yes because I love this car and following my great taste comes from my mum and dad. So there we have it, guys. You all know the drill. To make my journey your journey, like, follow, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.